I have often wondered, why does a book feel so much like a journey? Perhaps because life itself is a book that cannot be closed. We cannot know the ending, yet still, we turn the pages, one by one, into the unknown. The first page holds only the fingerprint of the wind, a blank written by fate, waiting for our touch. The volcano burns in silence, its light fleeting, yet in that moment, it warms the shore of another soul. The lake mirrors the sky, and in that stillness, I learn the deepest solitude is hearing the voice within. Through my lens, I finally see life's meaning is never a perfect answer, but the quiet grace of broken and whole moments alike, to fall, to rise, to keep loving still. Standing between heaven and earth, I understand I am the ink, the pulse between the lines, a fleeting verse in the book of life, still being written. As the wind turns the page, the story continues, softly, endlessly, beyond me. The true meaning of life is never found in distant landscapes, but in every gentle embrace with the world and with oneself.